Example 6.3 or 7.3 for the given textbooks. For details, please see the description below. The food compartment of a refrigerator is maintained at 4 Celsius by removing heat from a rate of 360 kilojoules per minute. If the required power input to the refrigerator is 2 kilowatts, we need to determine the coefficient of performance of the refrigerator as well as the rate of heat rejection to the room that houses the refrigerator. To evaluate the coefficient of performance of a refrigerator, we need to know the value of the heat rate that is being removed, Q.L, divided by the amount of power input, which is work on power net going in. These values are provided to be Q.L is equal to 360 kilojoules per minute, and the power is provided to be as 2 kilowatts. And kilowatts is kilojoules per second, so in order to cancel this, we need to convert minutes into seconds, and we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so that these two units will cancel out. And then once we do the mathematics on this problem, it gives us 3. So the coefficient of performance of this refrigerator is equal to 3. Then we need to determine the heat rejection to the room, and for that we're going to use the definition of the power going into the refrigerator. That is equal to the amount of what is released, Q.H, minus the amount of that goes into the refrigerator. This is Q.L, and what we're looking for is Q.H. So we simply solve this equation. Q.H is equal simply to power net going in plus Q.L, and then we had the amount of power going in is 2 kilowatts, and the amount once again that is provided, Q.L, is 360 kilojoules per minute. And to be able to add these ones out, we need to be able to make it into the same units. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This gives us 2 kilowatts, plus if we take this value, this gives us 6 kilowatts. And then at the end, the amount of heat rejection into the room is going to be simply 8 kilowatts. Or if we want to go back into the units of kilojoules per minute, we'd be multiplied by 60 seconds, and that is going to give us 480 kilojoules per minute.